problems up there. We haven't done those yet. Try the first two here. That should be semi-quick.
Cooperate. Good. So yeah, there's no solution. It's really good. No solution.
All right, let me try to catch up. These first two are nice because there are variables that want to cancel already. So if I just add these directly, what do I get? 2x equals 12. So x is 6. And then once I know one variable, I can plug it in to find the other variable. If I use the second dude, 6 plus y equals 4. So then y is -2. And which you can also write as 6 negative. Same thing with this guy, right? So when you add these together, what happens? These so y is 4, and then you can pick. If you have time, you do both, just to make sure you get the same answer. You just pick one. Which one do you want to use? Top one. So we get 5x plus 3 times 4 equals 17. That's 12, right? So let me subtract 12. So x is 1. Yes, sir.
What if it was negative 5x on top too? They wouldn't eliminate?
Then you'd have to multiply one of them by -1
Oh, negative 1.
to make the signs different.
Okay.
So
Is that
they have to be the same number,
different?
different signs.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I can write this as 1/4 if I want to. Yeah. Number 3. Try that one if you haven't already. And you know, just remind you guys, I am in my office before class every day except Monday, I think. Monday I have Senate meetings sometimes that I have to go to. And they're awesome. But otherwise, I'm in my office right before class. So if you don't have another class right before mine, you can come get help. It's crazy. Yeah.
How long?
I think, like today, I was there from 11 to 12:20, 5 or whatever that. But normally, and then Tuesday, Thursday, I think I'm there at 11:30 to 12:20. And then I'm in there before that. I got a really early class, so I have office hours before that too. And if you come with me to my office after class, I can stay for a bit and help you after class. It's crazy.
The first time I came to your office, days before, and you are not in collapse. I came because you are sick. You were sick.
Oh, of course,
So
sorry.
this is the first time I came.
Of course,
Yeah.
of course. I always forget to call like my office mates. I couldn't put a note at my door, but don't give up on me, okay? All right. You guys see what's happening here? What do I have to do to the first dude? Yeah, if I multiply this one by -2, right? So let me rewrite the first one here real quick. And let me put this actually. So what I get when I multiply the first one by -2, I get
Negative 4x.
-4x
Minus 8y.
minus 8y
Equals negative 10.
equals -10. So when I add those, I get 0 equals,
Negative 19.
don't circle that. Look what I've discovered. If you owe somebody $19, you actually don't owe them shit. No, you can't. It's not a mathematical proof. What does that mean? No solution. What does it mean graphically? You don't have to write this, but what does it mean graphically? Those two lines would never meet.
Parallel.
They never meet, so they're parallel. Kick ass.
You know the video where the girl she's like, keep my ass.
Oh, what's that
Yeah.
from?
No, there's a video of this little girl where she was trying to say like he's gonna kick my ass, but she's little, so she goes, he's gonna kick my ass.
Yeah, we're gonna-
But every time he says that.
There's a video for everything. All right, I think it's enough. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't think I'd get too much opposition. That's section 5.3. Tomorrow we'll focus on the, what was I trying to say? The word problem stuff. Quiz also tomorrow that I originally had today, but now it's tomorrow. What did I say it was on? I gotta look back.
4.5 to 4.7.
Yeah, quiz tomorrow. 4, 5, and 4, 7.
I like it.
Oops, sorry. Say hello, everybody.